Hi guys, in this video I will quickly explain how I made this hamster cage setup. So first of all, the materials. I used cotton and hemp bedding to enhance stable burrows and some decorations. These are some aquarium stones and this is a hide from the reptile section. I made a tree with a burst stick, moss and a nail with water mixture. This mixture can be used as a glue that is safe for hamsters. To get a real jungle-like vibe, I made a vine with coconut fiber rope and the same meal with water mixture. I got rid of half of the bedding so Babi, my hamster, would still recognize her scent. This reduces stress for hamsters after a big cage clean. Then I added some hay between the layers of bedding so Babi's burrows would have a bigger chance of staying intact. After these steps, your bedding should kinda look like a lasagna, just like this. Then I added a multiple chamber hide. And a sand bed so Papi can wash herself to keep herself clean. And the rest of the decorations. So since hamsters like foraging, I added some flowers and sprays. This way you can give your hamster some enrichment to prevent that your hamster is going to get bored. This is how you can make your own jungle-like hamster cage setup. I hope you guys like this video. It was the first one I've ever made. Please let me know if you like this video by leaving a like or leave a comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more videos about hamster cages and hamster care.